Next to those titles for which you also have the full text, a PDF symbol appears on the right-hand side of the reference list. Double-click on the title to open the PDF. The full text will then be displayed in Zotero. You can read it here and also highlight interesting passages. To show you what I mean, I select this passage and then select the color I want to highlight it in. You can also work on your texts in Zotero this way. You can opt to display all marked passages on the left-hand side. Then select a passage to view it directly in the text. You can also filter the list of selected passages by color. Only those passages marked in the color you select are then displayed. You also have the option to create notes here while reading. To do so, click on Add Item Note in the top right. You can add free text, ideas, notes, or even drafts of text for your own papers, etc. that occur to you while reading. You can also save quotations here for later use. To do so, simply mark the relevant passage and select Add to Note. The text will be copied together with a short reference. Use the same procedure to add passages that you have already marked to an item note. Simply click on the three dots and select Add to Note. You can insert these quotations later when writing your paper. We will show you how to do this in the next video.